Okay, we are here with Dan and his 2002 F-250. The goal here really was, it's not going to be a glamorous job, it's not going to be a pretty job. The job here is to make you safe at night. They were really bad and your night driving was probably being affected by it.
Yeah.
And so this is not a pretty one, but I'm sure it's going to be amazing to you, and now it's going to be safer for you. And yeah, we're checking off two of the boxes. One is the safety feature, so you're going to have a noticeable change at night when you drive, and they don't look like an eyesore anymore. But these are what, 19-year-old headlights,
Yeah.
So they're not going to be perfect. This is not the goal, but I think that you're going to be really happy with it. So I'll give you the honors, sir. Would you like to see your headlight fixer-upper?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Wow! Wow! I can see the bulb.
You can see a bulb in it. That's a bulb in there. I forgot to tell you that. It has an inside to it.
Yeah.
Weird, no?
So, yeah, I have pictures of these before they were done, and they were real cloudy.
Yeah, I took before. I'm going to do before and afters also. I did the befores, so yeah, man, it's...
Thank you, Greg.
Yeah, they turn...
Cheers.
I'll go get... I know, my beer's getting warm over there. Yeah, so, no, they turned out better than I expected, and I don't say that very often, so...
Yeah, they look at the same like as the top of the top of them that is covered by the hood.
Yeah. Well, you asked me a long time, a while back, your first correspondence was a text, and you said, can we fix these? Answer?
Yes.
Bam! Alright, so let's see. The other one's the same, but the lighting was better on that one. Less sun glare, so go ahead and, that one has a weird cast to it, but it's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's got some weird light glow on it, so that's why I wanted to shoot you over here on the...
It's reflection off my personality.
Yay. Bam. Cool. All right, well, I'm guessing you're fairly happy with it?
Yes.
Okay, so...
I'll give you a tip.
Okay.
Well, you already got a beer, a bottle of water, and I'll give you a tip.
Sounds good to me. With that, I will sign off. So thank you.